Man, you already know what it is. LIL K. I ain't gonna down hype up, so I got nothing. You just chilling. Now, I gotta get down and get my shout outs. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Don't even forget the shout outs. Straight up. But first off, nigga, let's start the training topic. But recently, a boy said, what's his name? Milden 100 in Banyanka, Armenia. They posted something about some kid bitching over some hood shit. Oh man, kids these days, he read this shit. I don't know what the fuck wrong with these niggas, bro. Hey, basically said my language joke, we say nigga nigga all the time, pretty much for the population. That's what some niggas was talking about. I ain't gonna worry about him. But back to them. Little niggas talking about real shit, niggas loosening back on, stop bitching niggas straight up. That's just how it is, bro. Trump topic is niggas getting mad for a video, bro. Like, what the fuck, bro? Look, I got video. I got them reading some shit, bro. Oh, man. These Africans, nigga. This nigga named Rainbow. They're... Push, I didn't give a fuck. What? Let me talk about. In my language, dog, we say nigga and nigga all the time. Pretty much of the 80% of the world is white. Yeah, if a black person, he or she doesn't give a shit. It's a normal world nowadays here. So don't say that shit. Right now, you joke and you US nigga gonna get fucked up. I know, niggas smoke. So trying to bust this, my niggas will fuck you. What the fuck, nigga? Damn, nigga, this shit in Africa. Africa's fighting these days, nigga. Damn, what the fuck y'all niggas on goddamn YouTube? Putting shit like that. Like, yo, niggas these days, bro. Keep mad over that. You might post a video tomorrow. Hey, I just got AMJs. Nah, bitch, I think I'm gonna get that first shit in my one. What the fuck, nigga? I'm gonna people J, but I ain't even had to be personally. Nah, I would be glad, but you might gotta get on with that. You might gotta be playing around videos. I'm gonna share my Facebook. Damn, bitch, I nigga got on YouTube and put this shit on Facebook, bro. Fuck up. Now, like, niggas be there, bro. Get mad over fucking videos that know. You might say, people find niggas you don't know. Oh, he ain't dropping. I didn't do that shit. I did video. Fuck, they do shit. I'm fuck. I took all this shit. Like, bitch, I nigga, what the fuck your fight that? You got no posting the guy no fight. Bitch, you got no speed. You don't down some. Push that nigga today. No, fuck 12 too. And shout out to 313, dude. You already know 313. Straight up. Yeah. Shout out to all that got no niggas on YouTube right now. Shout out to all the users, niggas. But shout out I got no faggot that nigga Rambo Thirsty, bro. Yo, I get a fuck, bro. On the set. I gotta beat your head, bro. Shout out to Milden, Bianca, Armani. Straight up, nigga. Yeah. Goddamn, I see your goddamn ass Milden, goddamn, yo, goddamn. I know, fucked up T-Fab, but still shout out to you, but your day. And you got to be the first nigga I shouted out for. I give you that shit, but you up before that, bro. Shout out to that shit. But yeah, though. As nigga, bro, fuck y'all niggas. Fuck y'all got them comments, nigga. First shit, nigga, fuck y'all niggas that now. Y'all nigga can't get mad over guys when they wanna post. Or post a fight, he wanna say, bitch, y'all nigga, he didn't get no love, he didn't get him right here, and I guess that's how I like it's fight night. Bitch, y'all nigga go by the ball from the game. The bust nigga got no Mike Tyson on real life. The fuck, nigga, this nigga's him, bro. Hood life, you know. Oh shit, I got hood. Never mind, but yeah. Yeah, let me get some more samples, you know. And I'm trying to fuck kind of key. Niggas might goddamn be like, hey, let's put this shit on Facebook, nigga. Yeah, you might know, you might say, like, white people, I bet y'all niggas be like, I bet you black people be like, damn, nigga, this shit too hard. Oh, nigga, fuck that shit too long. White people be like, oh man, you got an election 5,935. What the fuck is that? They speak English, nigga. Can I get a goddamn Webster dictionary for your ass, nigga? Can I goddamn word pop on? I got no Google, bro. Niggas is hell. Yo. Man, fuck every state, no, fuck every country besides the US, straight up. Cause y'all niggas supposed to gay ass shit, but straight up, to my niggas are fucking me. Bitch, I'm like 18, well, sad ass, on 16, I ain't gonna lie to you. I'm gonna fuck nigga, Crip gang, oh shit, no. Crip gang, straight up. Shout out, nigga. Shout out 313, man, do your thing, little bro. Fuck these niggas, and fuck they clicks, and fuck they sets, and fuck what they came from. Oh, shout me nigga, but I gotta give you a shout out. But fuck the rest of them straight up. Keep posting comments on y'all pussy niggas. Okay.